So I'm Silvan, I'm the co-founder of JOSEPHA. We're building a platform that is between all the shops that are online and all the users, and we help kind of users find all relevant information. If you walk into any shop in Zurich, for example, right, you get a stellar advice, but you're kind of bound to the supply that is in this particular shop. But on the internet, on the other hand, like you have all the infinite supply, but you don't get your questions answered. You have to read everything yourself. You have to look for the information. Using AI, we kind of couple that, right? You get now stellar advice on JOSEPHA that is coupled to the infinite supply that is on the internet. We scaled that now purely organically. So no paid ads, nothing, just like organic social media content. We scaled that to almost 70,000 monthly active users and roughly 150,000 search requests done by these users. And we're growing super fast, and that's also why we're kind of now hiring people, raising funds, etc., to kind of bring now the product to the next level.
Talent has really played a key role in how JOSEPHA evolved. The funny thing is the way Silvan and I actually met. We were connected by the interviewer who interviewed us separately, and he told us to actually get to know each other. We met and immediately knew we want to build together.
So the most valuable thing was, of course, meeting my co-founder Josef during the interview process. But during the program, actually, the most important milestone was the founders agreement, where we really were forced to sit together and discuss also difficult questions.
Talent nurtured discussions that we really get to know each other on a professional but also personal level in great detail, which is the base we can now build on.
And then I think, and this is really valuable that you get access to that, is the network. Seasoned founders who kind of can give you advice. You can easily reach out to them.
These are entrepreneurs. They are multiple steps ahead, but still they have been in the same positions as we are now. Having this access is really important.